1/14/2014, 3:33 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. One of the things that we would like to feature is Tesla Motors. And there was a lot of headlines today, and a lot of those concerns that people were very pessimistic about have abruptly changed their mind. Not only that, it's the best breakout day in 2014. Yes, we had the problems over here when it was extremely overbought, and we can clearly see by looking at this daily chart that we're right over here at major resistance levels. I would also like to say to you that Tesla is gapping up right now another $5. It's printing at 165.90. The closing bell was 161.27, which ended up on the day 21.93 handles. One of the things that we would love to share with you is the following. You want to be involved in the next bull run, click on free trial. Read the content. Open an account. Click open the account. What we have for you is the following. Open the account page, get started today, read the content, take your free 5-day trial. If you need trading capital to trade with in this new bull market, well, then we can address that too. Read the content. All questions will be answered then. If you do sign up for the free 5-day trial, then you will get an email back and you need to fill out the forms in order to participate. Once again, it's our pleasure to share with this is the best bull breakout right here so far in calendar 2014 as far as Tesla itself goes. So once again, these are the upper end of the resistances. What I will do is draw a trend line on the high. And that Tesla right now already has a $5 after hours gap going into pre-market tomorrow morning. And the stock in itself, we're going to go right back over here. This is going to be right up there, right up here. This is where that gap down was. And notice that we tested where the high of that gap down was. So let's look at those dates. This date was back on, guess what day it was? MMT 11/5 of 2013. And we gapped down, and the high of that gap at that time was 160.73. Clearly, we are going to look at tomorrow, and it's already gapping up to 165. So let's just say that the next resistance level is right about here. That's the low end of this last bar making the high. Then naturally, we got another high up there. Here's the thing though, look at that breakout. We will let you know that today was headline news driven event. The CEO was out talking about that there isn't any reason to recall any of the Tesla cars. And that when Tesla had a great short as we had did, it was time to understand that it was on sale at 118. And then we were in ranges and we had gaps up, we had pullbacks, we made highs, we pulled all the way back down here today to 136. That was the low, and the high 162. Now, having said that, we can clearly see that we have a $4 pre-market gap. Look at that, 166 by 166.27. That means that $200 million in money flow went in, but look at that breakout volume. This is the kind of volume you always want to see. This is the kind of volume that was huge with the buy-side program. This name was one of the best daily performances that we have been involved in for quite some time. That bull is back. That daily buy signal is back. We are above all these moving averages where it broke down below the 10, the 20, and that upper moving average is 157. That line is 157. That's a 100-day. And they're still piling in it in after hours. So, once again, Tesla is making a great recovery. And the thing about it is that they also confirmed Q4 numbers for their earnings when they come out. And that also brought people right back in the name in Tesla. So every time that Tesla pulls back to support levels, which will be higher, we will be buying the dips until something changes fundamentally. With the kind of volume to the buy side and that $200 million money flow, that says that the range was $25.33, the total range of the day right here. So buy the dips, sell the rips. They're going to have to come in on the bottom line and top line. And all of those reports over the last several months about what was going to take Tesla down, it just pulled all the way back to $118. The nice thing about it is, MMTs, whether you're short making money or you're going long and making money, that both prices go down, you make it, you go up and you make it. It's a great trading vehicle, and we're going to look at where these key resistances are. We got a gap right now, 166.30 by 166.35. That's going to be in your pre-market right now and after hours now to morning. And they're barreling in right here. Look at that thing print in the after hours.